Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this quick guide, I will show you how to fix user action required enable download file error in Escape from Tarkov.
Fix 1. Run the launcher as administrator. Step 1. Right, click on the Escape from Tarkov launcher. Step 2. Select Run as administrator. Step 3. Try downloading the update again. Fix 2. Check your internet connection. Step 1. Make sure your PC is connected to the internet. Step 2. Restart your router/modem. Step 3. Use a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi for more stability. Fix 3. Disable antivirus or firewall temporarily. Step 1. Open your antivirus or firewall settings. Step 2. Temporarily disable them. Step 3. Try downloading the file again. Step 4. Enable antivirus/firewall after the download. Fix 4. Clear launcher cache. Step 1. Close the game and launcher completely. Step 2. Navigate to c:\users\left bracket your username right bracket \appdata /local\batlist games \escape from Tarkov. Step 3. Delete the launcher cache folder. Step 4. Restart the launcher and try again.